Now, we've all been there. You're trying to access your Outlook data, but you're met with error messages and unresponsive files. Corrupted PST files can be a real headache. They can prevent you from accessing your emails, contacts, and calendars. Essentially, they can disrupt your whole workday. So let's dive into 3 effective methods to get your Outlook up and running again. The first method involves the use of a powerful tool called Data Newman Outlook Repair. This highly effective software solution is designed specifically to recover Outlook data and reduce file corruption loss. It offers a broad range of features, including the recovery of all Outlook items with all properties intact. One of its standout features is its high recovery rate, a testament to its robust performance and effectiveness. Users across the globe have praised the software for its ability to repair Outlook files, recover lost notes, fix corrupted files, and restore email data. In many cases, it has even succeeded in recovering files that other tools like Scamps failed to recognize. The second method to repair corrupt Outlook PST files is by using the Inbox Repair tool, also known as ScanPest. This built-in feature in Microsoft Outlook is a lifesaver for many users. However, it's important to note that ScanPest has many limitations. For instance, if your PST file is severely damaged, ScanPest may not be able to fix it. Moreover, it might struggle on large and complex PST files. The third method involves using other third-party tools to repair corrupt PST files. There's a whole host of options out there beyond Data Newman and ScanPest. For instance, the Data Newman blog lists several of them, including Arison Outlook PST Repair, Sagadi Outlook Email Recovery, and many more. These tools each come with their own unique features and advantages. Some offer advanced scanning methods, others boast user-friendly interfaces, and a few even provide round-the-clock customer support. However, it's important to keep in mind that these tools also have their own drawbacks. Some might not support all file types or operating systems, others might not offer the same high recovery rate as Data Newman Outlook Repair. While these tools can be effective, they might not always offer the same level of recovery as Data Newman Outlook Repair. Now that we've explored 3 methods to repair corrupt PST files, it's time to make a recommendation. In summary, we've looked at using Data Newman Outlook Repair, the ScanPest tool, and a variety of other options. Each has its strengths, but Data Newman stands out for its proven effectiveness. This software solution not only recovers all Outlook items with all properties, but its high recovery rate and ease of use have been lauded by users and IT professionals alike. So, for the most reliable and comprehensive recovery of your Outlook data, we highly recommend Data Newman Outlook Repair. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful.